In this video, we'll be replacing the power steering hose on a Ford Expedition. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the serpentine belt. You're going to need a 1/2-inch square drive on that tensioner, and that just allows you to take the tension off the belt and you should be able to pull it right off. I'd recommend taking a picture of how it's on there so that you can put it back on the same way. Now you're going to remove the power steering pulley. You're going to need a pulley puller for that. Once that's removed, you're going to disconnect the power steering hose from the pump. And then you're going to remove all of the mounting brackets that are holding it in. So you'll need a 16 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and an 8 millimeter socket to get those off. You'll want to have a pan too on the floor to catch any of the power steering fluid that comes out. And once you get those brackets undone, you can just remove the hose. And then you'll install the new hose. Just put it back in place and you're going to reinstall all of those brackets that were holding it on. Then you'll install the power steering hose back to the pump. You'll put the power steering pulley back on. You see he's got a screwdriver in there to hold it so it doesn't spin while he's tightening it. And then you'll reinstall that serpentine belt. And again, you'll need that to move that tensioner. So you'll need that 1/2-inch square drive. And just make sure that you route it the same way that you took it off. And once it's on all of the pulleys, you can release the tension and it'll hold it in place. And the last thing you're going to do is refill the power steering fluid up till the full point and you're all set.